Today we will discuss the characteristics of fiction and nonfiction and how we can tell the difference between the two. There are all types of genres when it comes to writing, but the two main types are fiction and nonfiction, which we will discuss today. First of all, we are going to discuss what fiction writing is and some of its characteristics. Fiction is written for readers to enjoy. Fiction has characters that are made up. Fiction has events that are made up. It uses literary elements such as characters, which are the people or animals in the story. It also has setting, which is where the story takes place. The setting in a fiction book could be in a house, it could be in a school, it could be outside, or maybe even on a playground. With fiction writing, it includes a problem, solution, plot, and theme. It usually has a beginning, middle, and end, which is what we refer to as the plot. Fiction books also have illustrations, which are pictures that are drawn. Some examples of fiction would include things like Teen Titans, Star Wars, maybe Junie B. Jones books, or Diary of a Spider books. Within those books, the characters are usually made up and the information in that book is made up. Next, we are going to discuss what nonfiction is. Nonfiction gives you information. It can inform you how to do something or teach you how to do something. It gives step-by-step directions on how to do something or teach you how to do something. The information is based on real, true events. It represents facts, like I keep stressing, which is true information. It uses pictures and photographs, which are pictures that are taken with a camera. They're actually real, true pictures. Within nonfiction books or writing, it usually has text features, such as a table of contents, a heading, index, bold print words, glossary, and captions. Headings are usually lets you know what you're going to be reading about within a section of a book. Bold print words are words that are darker than the other words within the book, and they usually stand out to let you know that that word is important. A glossary is kind of like a dictionary, but it only gives definitions of words that are within that nonfiction writing or within that nonfiction book. Captions are the information that is beside a picture that lets you know what's going on in that picture, what's happening in that picture. Some examples of nonfiction would be books about animals or maybe books about firefighters. Another type of nonfiction would be biographies, which gives true information or facts about a real person's life. For example, if you read a book about Abraham Lincoln or if you read a book about Martin Luther King, those will be examples of nonfiction books because it gives you real, true information about those people. And these are my references for the pictures that I've used throughout the screencast and also reference for the music that I have used.